Hi there, I'm Mr. Ben from the Merrimack Public Library, and today I'm here to share with you another feltboard rhyme. Today's rhyme is called Five Little Pumpkins, in honor of fall and Halloween if you celebrate Halloween. So it goes like this. Five little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run, let's run." The fifth one said, "Let's have some fun." Woo went the wind, and out went the lights, and the five little pumpkins went rolling out of sight. Can we count as we roll them out of sight? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there are no more little pumpkins left. The end. So that's all I have for you today. Hope you guys will stay tuned to this spot where I'll have some more feltboard and other fun activities coming at you in coming weeks. And if you hadn't heard already, the children's room is open once again for pop in and pick up. So come on down. We'd love to see you. So that's all from me. I've been Mr. Ben from the Merrimack Public Library. Bye.